Hi there, students. Echelon, echelons, accountable noun. Okay, echelon means a level or rank within a hierarchy. Yeah, a level of responsibility or authority. So the lower echelons of the company are the manual workers. The higher echelons of government are the ministers. Okay, so echelon, it's talking about rank, level, position within an organisation. A tier, if you like, T-I-E-R. Okay, so you could have upper echelons, middle echelons, top echelons, lower echelons. The middle class is divided into two different echelons, upper middle class and lower middle class. Okay, an echelon is also a military formation. It's like a diagonal line, particularly for aircraft or tanks. So you have one here, one here, one here, one here. Notice you could have a right echelon or a left echelon. So it's a military formation. Now, the origin of this word is quite good. It comes from French, échelle, which means a ladder. And an echelon is a rung of the ladder. So we use echelon nowadays to talk about your position on the rungs of a hierarchy. Okay? Echelon. Now, what about formality? I think this word, it's maybe slightly formal. Sounds quite posh. You could probably use it in an informal conversation, but I think I might use the word rank or level instead of that in an informal conversation. It's certainly really good for a formal essay. Use it instead of the word level, rank, something like that. Okay? It shows that you have a good vocabulary. So, the echelons of society, the different levels, the echelons of the organisation. Okay, the top echelons, the middle echelons, the lower echelons. One of the characteristics of this echelon of society, this group of people, this level of society, maybe when people do surveys and social studies and things like that, they categorize earnings, salary, into different echelons. Okay? So, echelons. Countable noun, slightly formal. You could probably use it informally, better in a slightly more formal setting. Comes from French, meaning the rung of a ladder. There we go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Echelon.